Hello and welcome to Party Paperteers. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on a slimline folio. This folio measures 4.5 inches this way, 8.5 this way, has a 3/4 inch spine. The paper collection is very beautiful and it's by Crafter's Companion and it's called "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." This folio was a lot of fun to make. It feels so comfy in the hands and pretty lightweight, but I'm not done loading it down with photos yet. It's going to be our Christmas 2022 Christmas folio. The closure that I chose for this folio is a belly band. And what you're looking at is some elements from the Anna Griffin Christmas card making kit last year. I love her elements, I love her style, and it just meshed so well with this paper collection. As in true Anna style, you always get dimensionals, but I was able to keep them pretty flat because I knew that this mechanism is going to have to be moved about a lot, and I didn't want a lot of moving parts. But this ribbon is another beautiful element that came with the paper collection, and it also serves as extra protection or reinforcement for your belly band. On the interior cover, I created an insert that was a pop-up card, and I did incorporate a photo just to give you a visual. But what I like about this most, I took my scraps and I matched up the image on the next page just to keep it flowing all the way across, and I thought that was super cute. I did magnetize it, and I decided to keep this design element simple because I knew even though I gave my folio a 1/4 inch gusset, that it could get pretty chunky, and it is starting to get pretty chunky, and that's without photos. But I did incorporate some just so that you could see that it's just not going to be over the top, because I think this is a beautiful design, very easy. The base went together in less than 5 minutes. I mean, you'll be amazed how easy it really is. On the next page, we have a belly band. And when I created this belly band, I just couldn't stand to take away from this beautiful paper collection because the images are so beautiful. So I wanted to continue it, and so it's kind of a hidden belly band, just super cute. This image here I put on top is just to journal on. My thought process was, these are card parts from 12 by 12 sheet in the collection, and I just left them connected and accordion folded them so that I can put photos up to 4, but actually you can do up to 8. So I incorporated 2 photos just to kind of let you see that you do have places to journal. And even with those 2 photos, you can't even tell. So I thought you would get so much more bulk. By the time you put 8 photos, it may be pretty thick, but you should still be able to slide it very easily into your belly band, because this belly band was created with a little gusset on each side, and it gives you a little room. But I just thought this would be a nice page so that we can have our pictures from maybe Christmas lights or an epic snowball fight or even a school Christmas recital, and I can journal about it up here. On the next page, we have an insert as well. It's another pop-up card with an opportunity to place a photo here. I did use another image from the Anna Griffin card making kit, but this can very well be a photo back here as well. But I thought that was super cute, and again I magnetized it and kept the embellishments fairly flat and easy. This paper is so beautiful, you just don't have to do too much, but you can put like greenery. From her card kit, she has some greenery that can go across there and resemble a wreath or some kind of decoration. I just thought it'd be cute, but again, I just didn't really want to overdo it. This is a photo frame, and this is just, I just cut this out from a scrap in the paper collection to put in here, but you can actually place a photo on the back of it or front of it and put it in here. But I just thought that'd be so cute because I wanted to give that imagery. I decided to place these little girls down here peering out the window at Santa going across the sky. I just thought that was so cute. And I cut them out from a page in the paper collection. On this next page, it's probably my favorite page in the whole collection. It's so beautiful, and I don't know if the light is picking up or not, but this paper has beautiful foiling all the way throughout it on every page. It is just so elegant, and I just really couldn't stand the fact that I would have to cover any of this. So I came up with an idea to fussy cut one of these poinsettias out of a piece of scrap, and I backed a magnet on it. So if you can look very closely there, it's glued right in place there. And I took a photo, backed it with some cardstock, placed a magnet between it, and my thought process was I can just pop it there. And I think that's very cute. And it stays in place. Those little magnets, those little gray magnets are so strong. But you can remove it and if you wanted to, and just leave that page. On the next page here is sort of a belly band feature. I did create a closure with this glitter twine, and all these are brads with a little cardstock behind them, just so that I can wrap my twine. But if you open it up, you get the full length of the page, and I thought that would be amazing because usually when I make a folio, I try to put a pocket in. So this is kind of my pocket. And the reason I did this is so that if I had some 4x6 uncropped photos, I wouldn't have a problem placing them in here. And I think I have a few, I have a few over here that I can kind of demo for you. Sometime I use the apps to cut my photos out in their collage templates, and you get some of these really, really big photos. As you can see, this folio measures 8.5 inches this way, and this photo is almost the full length of that. So I'm going to just place these others in here, and it's also to kind of demonstrate that once I close it, you still have so much room to pack out photos in here. So if you have an overflow of photos, you can, this is a really nice feature to have in your folio to accommodate those photos. And on the end of this twine, I used some of these beautiful poinsettias that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and just cut out a little cardstock disc and kind of sandwich this string in between it and place the design element on each side. They can go pretty flat, but you know, they're dimensional enough visually that it's just, I felt like it was the perfect add-on there without being too bothersome. But you can also put something like beads or some other kind of paper element, design element to match your paper collection at the end of this. But I just thought it was super cute. On the next page, we have acetate picture frame, and I just thought that was so adorable because, again, the paper collection lends itself to these beautiful ideals, and these images are, I mean, without a photo, I just love looking at this. But I did have another oversized photo that lends itself perfectly to this feature. What you think? That's really cute. I just love that. And that's another thing about this pocket, going back to this page. You can side load it, and you don't have to worry about losing your photos because your closure is a belly band. So that's another great feature of that design element for this page. But going back here, I embellished this around the frame with some more stickers from Hobby Lobby. And I think those are just so cute. And I try to catch them when they're on sale. But this little snowman is just so perfect because this is my granddaughter's little snowman that she couldn't part with last Christmas. And so he ended up in a lot of photos for the Christmas season. And I just think it's so cute because it's also a beautiful memory that I'll have of her. On our next page, I used some more cut aparts to give myself opportunities to put more photos on the page. Again, we can put up to 20 or more photos in here. If you wanted to, you could put photos here, here, and here. But I'll probably just take advantage of one of these sides and journal on the other one. And those will probably be like little pictures of Santa or any other little Christmas events that we have, like decorating the tree or something. And I just placed a photo there to give you a visual. Again, these little stickers came from Hobby Lobby, and I just wanted to make this folio fun, very festive, and as you see on the next page here, I just wanted to bring a little whimsy to it as well. So I created this page. It's a Santa cam. It was from an SVG that I downloaded off of Design Space, and I used some elements from the cardstock to create these little images. That way you can see that they blend flawlessly color-wise into the color scheme of this folio. I left the top of the aperture open so that we can place a photo, and this is just a little example of how that may look. It's also some highlights and things that you can put on here, but once I decide which photo I'm going to put in there, probably family Christmas pajama photo, I'll place my little highlights on there and finish that off. I would like to thank you for stopping by and spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it. And if you like this content, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel and like my video. And also, if you want to see me make one from scratch, go ahead and leave me something in the comments letting me know. If you decide you're going to make this, leave me a comment letting me know how well it went for you. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope that you will try to do one as well. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.